Moving on now, India has begun the commercial export of COVID vaccines. A shipment with 2 million Covishield doses has already left for Brazil. In a tweet, the Brazilian foreign minister thanked New Delhi for prioritizing the country in vaccine exports. Brazil is the second worst affected country by the coronavirus, just after the United States. India will also be commercially exporting vaccines to Morocco. The countries will receive the Covishield vaccine. The shots developed by UK-based drug maker AstraZeneca and Oxford University are being manufactured at the Serum Institute of India, which is the world's biggest vaccine maker. The Indian government had held off exporting doses until it began its own domestic immunization program last weekend. The health workers were the first to receive the COVID jabs in India. Apart from Covishield, India has also rolled out its indigenously developed vaccine called Covaxin, which has been made by Bharat Biotech. Meanwhile, India continues to send free vaccines to neighbouring nations and key allies. In the latest, 1.5 million doses have been shipped to Myanmar, 50,000 doses to the Seychelles, while Mauritius has just received 100,000 jabs. Earlier, Bangladesh received 2 million doses, while Nepal received 1 million jabs. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina thanked India for the gesture.
For the coronavirus, আপনারা জানেন যে ভ্যাকসিন আমাদের যেটা আমরা পেয়েছি ভারত থেকে উপহার স্বরূপ সেটা এসে পৌঁছে গেছে, সেজন্য ভারতের প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আর আমরা যেটা টাকা দিয়ে কিনেছি সেটা 25 তারিখে বা 26 তারিখের মধ্যে এসে পৌঁছাবে। কাজে আমরা এ ব্যাপারে কিভাবে এই ভ্যাকসিন দেওয়া হবে সব ব্যাপারে কিন্তু সমস্ত পরিকল্পনা আমরা নিয়ে রেখেছি।
For more on this, we're being joined by our principal diplomatic correspondent, Sirant Sybil. Good evening to you, Sirant. A shipment with 2 million Covishield doses has left for Brazil. Take us through the details of India's first commercial export of COVID vaccines.
Well, Alison, right now I'm standing at Rajpath, where the Grand Republic Day parade will happen in a few days' time. Proud moment for India to showcase its diversity, soft power and hard power. But another proud moment for India right now is its vaccine diplomacy, whether it's commercial terms or whether it is gifting. But let's talk about the commercial export of vaccine, which started from today. And the first two countries to get it is Brazil and Morocco. In fact, it will reach Brazil at around 2 a.m. on Saturday Indian Standard Time. And we know that the Brazilian president was waiting for this moment for a pretty long time. He had written a letter to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking the vaccine as well. And now, of course, when he got to know about this information that the plane will be leaving today, in fact, he tweeted late yesterday night thanking the Indian government for the intervention and giving a go-ahead to the entire commercial export. But if we look at India's gift or India's vaccine diplomacy in the neighborhood, it started on Wednesday, and 7 countries in the neighborhood, whether it's the BIMSTEC countries or it is the Indian Ocean countries, they got millions of vaccine. And this reaffirms India's position as the pharma capital of the world. In fact, 60% of world's vaccine are produced here in India. And the World Health Organization, in fact, gets 70% of its immunization needs from India in terms of vaccine. India is the largest producer of vaccines such as the measles vaccine. But right now, of course, the race to vaccine is for the COVID vaccine. India, of course, has given approval to 2 vaccines, and we have seen how the neighborhood, they were requesting the Indian government. In fact, a point to highlight is just last week, right at this time, last Friday, the foreign minister of Nepal was here in Delhi. He sought a request for the COVID vaccine, and yesterday, in matter of just 7 days, Nepal got its vaccine consignment from India. So if you look at the region, there are countries lauding. In fact, the Prime Minister of Bhutan, the President of Maldives, the Prime Minister of Nepal, and of course the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, all of them have publicly lauded India's way of going ahead, India's gratitude for sending the vaccine at a time when India is also dealing with this huge crisis. And the fact that India rolled out or gave the vaccine just few days after it starting its vaccination program is another key feature of the entire vaccination drive. In fact, today morning and in fact yesterday morning, the leading newspapers in the region, whether it's Nepal, Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan, they headlined 2 things. One, of course, the Biden inauguration. Another India's COVID vaccine diplomacy. And that, of course, is something that many people will be liking across the world.
Sudan, thank you very much for bringing us all the latest.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
We are now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.